The truth. So today we were supposed to be going into like a submarine type thing. It is day 3, and guess what? I completely forgot my charger for my batteries, and I ordered one on Amazon, so it should be coming tomorrow, hopefully on Monday. I think tomorrow's Monday. I think today's Sunday. But hopefully the battery charger comes for tomorrow, because I am at 1 bar right now, and I have 1 extra battery, and that is it. And I've been able to record 2.5 days so far, which is good. Yeah, right now we're going back into the pool area because our submarine thing got canceled or whatever. It got rescheduled to Tuesday, because everything goes well that day. Hey guys, so it's day 4 I think. We did an ATV ride today. I didn't get anything on recording. Well, I did actually on my phone, but not on my camera because my camera batteries had died and I didn't bring my charger, so I had to order one on Amazon, and it came today, Monday, and I was able to charge both my batteries, and now we're good to go for the rest of the week. And hopefully the rest of the week is good. Tomorrow we're gonna be going on a submarine, which would be cool, and then after that I think it's like I'm gonna be swimming with dolphins, I think, something like that. And right now I'm just waiting for the elevator to come by because it's taking forever. But right now, before this clip, I got a picture, or like a recording of the entire scenery out there, and it looked amazing with the sun setting and the whole city and both towers, and it looked amazing. So hopefully the rest of the week is good. Okay, so we ate at this Japanese place where they just cook food right in front of you, like Benihana. Food was pretty good. I finished all of it. I don't have a lot recorded today because my camera was dead for most of the day. I mean, I recorded something on my phone, so hopefully that does good. And yeah, I think this is day 4. So hopefully you guys enjoyed day 4.